And my grandfather was there. My grandfather was a man. I don't know if you know the term Zandik. The Zandik is, in as I understand it, the very special man in Yiddish, in Judaism. And when it comes to a Brit, he holds the baby. My grandfather was a Zandik, and he was very special. I only knew two men in my life that I could put in that special category, and he was one. And Yaakov Lieberman, who was a rabbi with Beth Shalom Synagogue, and recently passed away, was the other. But my grandfather was just that wonderful. And I used to sit on his lap, and he read the forwards in Yiddish. And he taught me the alphabet. He taught me to read some of the words, and I would read with him. And I had a very good relationship with him. And in later life, I would go to him more to discuss things than I did with my father. When my wife was pregnant with our third son, and I went to my grandfather, and I said to him, "Grandpa, Beverly and I know that this is going to be another boy. We want to name him for you. We've discussed it. We've considered it." And remember, my grandfather was a very Orthodox man. Mm-hmm. And his eyes lit up, and he smiled, and he said he would love it. And I said, "Then it's settled." He says, No. It's not settled. I said, "What do you mean? You want it. We want it. Why not?" He says, "Because I have a wife, your grandmother, and I have 6 daughters, and when I die, and one day I surely must die," he says, "they will blame your death on me, on you." I said, "I don't care." "No, I won't permit it." So what we did was we went back in the past, and my father found I didn't tell him why. I mean, he didn't know to the day he died. He didn't know. Found a relative of his who had the same name as my grandfather, and we named our third son on the surface for that relative, but for our purposes, he's named for my grandfather.
And that was acceptable to your grandfather?
We didn't tell him. We just did it. We just did it, and that was it.